This is me and Annabella. She is 3 months and 3 days old today. She did not want to have clothes on. She wants to be naked, but I decided to put a little ribbon in her hair so you knew she was a girl. She seems more interested in her foot at the moment than at the camera. She's more awake than her other videos. Oh, she found the screen. She can see herself, and she seems to like that. That's the keyboard. Thank you. Nope, that's still the keyboard. She seems to like to kick things. And again. Such yourself? Look at you. You can't have that. You can't. No. No? She says, yes I can, Mom. Yes I can. No kid. Who is that? Is that you? That is you? Look at your chub. Look at. Look, he's so chubby. So chubby. Yeah. Yeah? She's conceited, as you can see, staring at herself. Already. Yeah, already. She likes her pretty bows. She's got 4 or 5 of them. She doesn't like to go anywhere without them. If you can't tell, her eyes are blue. Very pretty blue. They don't look blue on the screen right now, though. Yes. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come here. Say bye. Say bye.